So what's going on, everyone? Today we're going to talk about Bitcoin. The price was rejected up there around $105,000 the last 2 days or 3 days. January the 6th. Even on January the 7th, the market got rejected around 103, 105. What's next? Well, we're going to continue to look forward to price going down in Bitcoin. We have already established that on our prior price prediction in the market for Bitcoin. However, right here on these particular days, December 29th, 30th, and the 31st, the market in Bitcoin decided to hold this first pocket of buying. So if anything, I'm going to look for that to occur now, as we see the market in Bitcoin coming down 5% yesterday and then another 1.92% right now. I'm going to look for the market in Bitcoin and try to test that pocket of buying again. It did it numerous times going throughout the month of December. So it's kind of like, why not expect it now, right? However, you can only see a market hold a point so long. If these buyers are not here anymore, or let's say that they completely ran out of money to continue to support price at 92,000, then you need to look for the market to go lower. Okay, and given the move yesterday in Bitcoin down almost 5.25%, you have to say maybe the market is not willing to hold this pocket much longer. And we might need to be prepared to see price in Bitcoin come down to the next level low or the next pocket of buying, which is around like 85,000 to 86, $87,000. Now let's look at this on a couple of different time frames. First, here it is on the 2. I don't like the 2. If I was a bull in the market in Bitcoin, I would not like the 2-day bar, because that definitely is weakness to the point to where I wouldn't suspect that the buyers will hold this first pocket of buying. That's how weak it looks to me. Here it is on the 3. Same thing on the 3-day chart. Even though we got a day and 13 hours, that spread of that current 3-day price bar is definitely exhibiting, and it's saying something to me. It's saying that the market is not that bullish. It goes in line with what occurred on this 3-day price bar right here. Okay, those two go together. And when you combine them, it shows you that this overall area up here in Bitcoin is more selling going on in the market. Albeit, these 3-day price bars is telling us that there's at least right now enough people, demand, willing to support those who are trying to sell out. Here it is on the 4. 12 hours, 6 minutes. And again, just to reiterate, that doesn't look bullish. Now, in the next 12 hours, 5 minutes, if it closes there on the low of the bar in Bitcoin, we will not change our price prediction. The only thing that I would say, if you're looking for the price of Bitcoin to go up, is for it to hold this pocket of buying right there. This first area of buying around 90,000 to 92,250. Now look at this on the 5, same thing. Okay, so this prediction is not changing, or this video is not changing what we initially thought in Bitcoin. The market does still look weak. It would have been one thing if we would have seen the buyers completely break this pocket of selling, but as you can see in these 2 days, it didn't happen. Matter of fact, on January the 7th, the sellers confirmed that they were still there because they pushed the price down 5% in that one day. Okay, so let's just see if the buyers will hold this first pocket of buying. If they do, then we would expect the market of Bitcoin to trade within a range, right? We would expect the market to do like this until it takes out all those sellers in this first pocket of selling. But if those buyers aren't going to hold this first pocket of buying, then we're going to look for it to come down to this area. All right, so that's it. Give me your thoughts. Make sure you maintain profit. And as always, trade different.